Hey guys, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute. And this month for January, I thought we could have a theme of happiness. Each and every day, I'm going to give you one little tip or one little strategy or one little technique that we can use to incorporate more happiness into our lives. As Gandhi says, happiness is when what you think and what you say and what you do are in harmony. So number one, for the first day of the month, my action for happiness is find 3 good things that you're going to look forward to this year. So really think about it, get creative, think about things you like, think about things you're passionate about, thinking about what it is that you want to bring more of into your life this new year, 2021, and find 3 good things that you're going to pencil in, put in your calendar, commit to. 3 good things that you're going to look forward to this year. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you to get up, get out, get moving each and every day. Make it a great day.